Is your Task Manager's Processes tab blank in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you 5 fixes to resolve this issue. Let's get your Task Manager back to normal. Just press Windows key and R key together from the keyboard. Write clean mgr in it and click OK. Select C drive. Select temporary and non-useful files and click on Clean up system files to clean up space from your PC. Follow on-screen instructions. Right-click on Name and make sure that desired display columns are selected. Search CMD in Windows search box. Right-click and click on Run as Administrator. Now, run the commands given below one by one sfc/scanodism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore-health. Close the CMD window and try again. Press Windows key plus R combination from the keyboard. Type msconfig in it and click OK. Now click on Services tab. Now select Hide all Microsoft services. Now click on Disable all, click on Apply, Restart PC. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.